Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, Just Ask Taffy. I'm coming to you today in the capacity of a real estate agent. And today, my topic will be on discussion on how to the steps that you would need to purchase your home. So I want you to check out these important steps to becoming a home owner. Step one. When thinking about purchasing a home, this will be one of the first steps that you decide, and that is to check your credit score. Checking your credit score is very important when it's time for you to purchase your home. Most banks and credit unions or any financial institution are looking for credit scores that are at least 620 or higher. And I'm not saying that if your credit score is lower than that, you can't purchase a home. But it will be in your best interest to have your credit score at a 620 or higher to get a better interest rate. So take some time before you decide to purchase a home to go on different websites that's free, like annualcreditreporting.com or either Credit Karma, to see where you are at with your credit score. The next one is getting a loan pre-approval, which helps a real estate agent to act fast because they know where you're at in the qualifications of purchasing a home. So you must get you a pre-approval letter. Go to your nearest bank or to your own personal bank and fill out the application to find out how to get pre-approved for a home. Once you're approved, the bank will give you the amount of money that you qualify for to purchase a home. So once you get that information, that will save the realtor a lot of time on finding the perfect home for you in your price range. So once you get your pre-approval letter, and you can do this before or after, you must meet with a real estate agent. When you meet with that real estate agent, you can already go to them to let them know, this is my pre-approval letter. This is the amount that I'm qualified for. Please find me homes in that area, in that price range. Or you don't have to get that price range. You can get lower. It is up to you. But at least you both will know where you all stand and what you qualify for. So if you're looking for a realtor, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm in the Atlanta area, but I have resources to different realtors all over the United States. So contact me at 786-380-0261, and I'll make sure that I meet all the needs that you need for a real estate agent. Once we get the pre-approval letter, once you find me as your realtor, I will make sure that I find different homes in different areas that meet your qualifications. You will tell me what you want. If it's a 3-bedroom, 4-bedroom, basement, pool, best schools, close to shopping districts, you can let me know these things. And when I'm searching for the homes, I will make sure that I look for the things that you gave to me. But in the meantime, if you go on my website at octaviagrissom.kwrealty.com, you can also look and see the type of homes that you want in your price range and let me know, and we can make appointments so that we can go view these homes, walkthroughs, meet with some of the seller agents, and to see if this home really fits the thing that you are looking for. Step 4. Once you have found the home that you're of your choice, I will make sure that I run market analysis so that we can determine what offer we want to give to the seller. There may be some negotiations between you and the seller, and sometimes maybe the seller may either accept your offer as is, they may reject your offer, or they may enter a counter offer. But all these scenarios, which we know to accept the offer is the better offer, but rejection does not mean failure. We'll just find you something else that may be better than what you were looking at in the first place. So just know that there can be some negotiations, but that does not stop us from finding you a home of your choice. Step 5. Make sure that you have in your bank account, preferably a savings account that you've had for at least 3 to 6 months. You have a down payment of 3% or for FHA, 5% to 20% for conventional in your bank account. We will ask for a down payment once the offer is accepted. That has to be turned over immediately to make sure that we can hold the contract. This will be considered your earnest money once the offer is accepted. But we can go into more details about that when you call me to be your real estate agent. Step 6. After the offer is accepted, the earnest money has been given, you will have to hire a professional home inspector. This is someone that will go to the home to do a thorough inspection of the property so that we can check for roof leaks, plumbing problems, cracks in the walls, asbestos, whatever it is. The inspector will make sure they do a thorough inspection so that if we have any problems, and if it's minor, we can make offers, question the seller to make changes to fix the problem, or if it's major, you'll be able to back out of the contract. So be prepared to have your inspector ready when it's time to do the inspection. Step 7. Once everything is completed, and it might be some things in between that we have to go through that I didn't mention, but if it comes up, we'll face that time at the time. But step 7, once everything is completed, financing is secured, you will do your final walkthrough and prepare for closing. And this is guaranteed you're on your way to becoming a homeowner. Step 8, at the closing. This is where you will start the process of signing papers. It may be a long and tedious task, but it's well worth it in the end. This is where you will be paying the fees that's owed and closing costs if they're due. But the title company will make sure they call you at least the day before, sometimes the morning of, to let you know the amount of money that you will have to bring with you at the table to pay for all of these things. So be prepared, be patient, don't get discouraged, because these are things that you have to go through in order to purchase a home. And you know how it is. You go through the hard part to get to the easy one. And this will only show you and let you know how blessed you are to becoming a homeowner when you get those keys that's going to be placed in your hand to let you know that you are an official homeowner. So these are some of the steps that I've talked through to you about in becoming a homeowner. Some people may get frustrated. Some people may do it with ease, but the ultimate goal is to be and get you to home ownership. So when you walk through the doors of your home and your family walks through the doors of your home, that is something that you've accomplished. So take these steps that I've given you. If you're not ready for the process right now, do what it is to get you ready. So when you're ready, everything will be smooth sailing and we can get you to where you need to be. So thank you for taking the time to listen to my steps. I will be continuously putting up things to help with all the things that you can do to get you ready, fixing your credit, whatever it is that you need to do so that we can get you into home ownership, because this is the American dream. And I am here to tell you that you can be a homeowner. Instead of paying someone else's mortgage, it's time for you to start thinking about paying your own. So thank you for um, being a part of my channel. Thank you for taking the time to listen to what I have to say. And hopefully this will help someone to become the homeowner that they would need to become. So make sure you follow me on Facebook. I always post up different things on Facebook to help you. And it's Octavia the Realtor on Facebook, or you can subscribe to this channel on YouTube and make sure you follow, because I'm making sure that I put out things that's helping you to get to your next level. Thank you for watching, and remember to comment and subscribe. Have a great one.